So in the Bible, marriage is a lifelong, God-ordained covenant between a man and a woman. Marriage is an essential part of God's plan. Yes, indeed, it is a God's plan. And is intended to be permanent. So if you say permanent, Romulo and Kaiseling, panghabang buhay.
And on and on, and on and on.
First of all, I want to share this. Sabi niya dati, bago niya ako makilala, nagdadasal siya na
Sabi ko, Lord, sana po sa susunod na magmamahal ako ulit, sana siya na po yung huli.
Pagkasama ko kasi siya, parang hindi ko kailangang magpanggap. Parang kung ano yung ugali ko, nalalabas ko.
Pagiging maasikaso na parang as in nanay na talaga yun. Mas nagustuhan ko siya lalo.
Talagang alam niya yung kung ano talaga ako.
The primary role of a husband in a marriage is to love his wife. In what way? Mamahalin ni husband ang kanyang wife unconditionally and unselfishly.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so hard to fall so
I consider myself na God using me to make her happy. And one of the reasons why I'm happy being with her.
Pinagdasal kita at ngayon andito ka na. Thank you, Lord, at ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin.
Ang lalaki at babaeng ikinasal sa harapan ng ating Panginoon, kailanman hindi pwedeng maghiwalay.
soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. What treasure waits within your skies? The gift of freedom gold can't buy. I bought the world and sold my heart. We traded heaven to have me again. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky.
Simula nung makilala ka, naging magaan ang buhay ko. Dahil pinaramdam mo sa akin na hindi ako nag-iisa.
I promise I will not break your heart. Alam kong malayo pa tayo pero sana manatili ka. Kung ano ka at kung paano mo ako itrato.
Alam ko, minsan, ang hirap kong mahalin. Pero sa lahat ng hindi maganda sa akin, hindi ka sumuko.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul again.
Ngayon, ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang aking buong puso. Ipinapangako kong mamahalin ka ng walang katapusan at iingatan ka sa bawat araw ng ating buhay. Kayo ni 30 ang aking buhay. I love you so much, asawa.
Sweep me up in your love again, and my soul again, on the wings of forever.
Pagpupursigihin ko pa yung pagtatrabaho para mas mabigay ko yung kinabukasan na mas maganda para sa inyo.
Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana mas lalo mo pa kaming mahalin, 30. Ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin.
The sky, when we sit there, my heart beating.
So the foundation of any marriage is love and trust. So remember the vows in sickness and in health, for richer and for poor.
Salamat sa mahabang pasensya mo. Tinanggap mo ako ng buong buo. Sa'yo ko lang naramdaman ang pakiramdam na paulit-ulit akong pinipili.
Salamat at mas mamahalin kita araw-araw. I love you.
Reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. My soul will dance on the wings of the
And by the words of the prophet, blessed are you, by the church, by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you as husband and wife. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no man separate. You may now kiss the bride.